You know, I just believe that you can build an affordable, comfortable, stylish, green, sustainable house, and you can do it in a limited amount of time, and that's what we're going to do here. You know, I built this house as an example of a greenhouse in a very traditional style. And this new house that I'm going to build is much smaller, but it's going to have a sense of place. It's going to have to feel like this farm. It's going to need to look like, in some ways, the main house and the outbuildings. It's got to somehow dovetail into the landscape and not look like some foreign object out here. The other thing about this house that's important to me is that it needs to be a house that can be built on a standard lot anywhere in this country. I'm building this house because I believe that you can build quality, affordable, comfortable housing that has a sustainable component to it in a reasonable number of days. And I absolutely love a challenge too. But you know, you have to start with the right plan, you have to pick the right materials, and of course you have to have the right team to pull this off.
My name is David Anderson. The cost effectiveness and embodied energy of a home is where I spend most of my thought.
I'm Tony Drinkwater, and I've been building houses since like 1970.
I'm Paige Wilson. I have a small company named Paul Page Dwellings. We focus mainly on urban infill.
I don't see any problem with getting it done in 150 days. We just get some of the carpenters out of the way so I can get in there with the machine.
I got excited about green design on a project we worked on for Habitat for Humanity, and it was the first low-impact development neighborhood in Arkansas.
And Alan enlisted me on a lot of projects around here, other than this house, and I guess he assumes that I'm capable of building it too, so here we go.
Our background is East Arkansas vernacular and things I've observed in eastern Arkansas, and that's the kind of stuff we build. It's mostly small scale, sustainable, energy efficient, but the designs and the styling of the houses look like East Arkansas farm houses and outbuildings.
Well, I'm Chris Smith, I'm Alan's brother, and it's easier to explain what I don't do than it is what I do.
And working in that project from beginning to end, we looked at the site, the hydrology, the size of the homes, and shared space, open space, green space, and how that affects the occupant in a very psychological way. So green spans not only from how we spend our money on energy, but also how we experience the space.
Chicken houses down to electrifying the fences, you know, just maintenance on everything, animal control to a certain degree.
We have 150 days to build this home, and if I feel like I'm falling behind, then I'll enlist some people to help me keep up with the schedule we need to do. And if I don't, then Alan will enlist some people to help me.
It's overseeing the birds, with all the predators we have. We're going to have to put a new clutch in the dump truck.
What I hope to bring to this project is an experience with minimizing our impact on the environment as a whole. And that's looking at more than just how we build the house, but how this house represents the way we should live in a more green and efficient lifestyle.
Doing the rose garden up and down the mountain. Sprinkler systems and maintenance and getting everything winterized for winter. I mean, I don't know how to answer that. Make sure all the feed are here so we have feed on time.
We're going to take the same strategies and same kind of elements and style, which is a vernacular style of rural Tennessee in Alan's case. I'm rural Arkansas, and we're going to apply that out to the farm in a small house.
Mowing and weed eating, you know, spraying, and work filtration systems are up and going. Yeah, I don't complain much, I just explain, but heaters are in the well houses.
I've built everything from hospitals to golf courses to all types of homes. I've worked in probably 6 different states on commercial projects. I've done everything from concrete foundations to multi-story foundations and block work, brickwork.
The possibilities that we won't make that schedule will be probably design decisions and the weather. So if we can act quickly enough on our design decisions, we would love to have the best that we could have, but it'll all come down to that budget for that $150,000.
Poultry houses, and then we harvest vegetables, you know, when that rolls around. This feels weird. Yeah, we get a lot of deadlines from Mr. Smith. He comes up with these ideas, and then we have to create a lot of stuff, you know. We seem to do really well with pulling it off.
No one can believe, and many people say, I can't build a house in 150 days at 1,600 square feet for $150,000. But you know what? Hide and watch. I'm going to show you I can do it. People also told me I couldn't keep sheep here either, but I'm telling you, I found a breed that's thriving, and I love it. You know, Kate never could do anything, and I believe you can. And, you know, it's not going to be easy. There's going to be some challenges, and we're going to have to make a lot of choices. But there are ways to get things done. And I want this house to be as green as possible, and it will be.